Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Pocket Option, IQ Option and Quotex. All three are online trading platforms mainly for binary or digital options with varying strengths. Pocket Option is a trading platform that makes it simple for beginners to start with binary options. It has an easy-to-use design, social trading features where you can copy other traders, and many ways to deposit money, including local payment options in some countries. The platform also gives access to a variety of assets, from forex to cryptocurrencies. Many users like it because of its quick setup and low minimum deposits. However, it's still a high-risk platform, so profits are never guaranteed. IQ Option is a popular trading platform known for its clean design and strong regulation under SISAC, which gives it more trust compared to many competitors. It offers a wide range of options, including binary trading, forex, CFDs, and cryptocurrencies all in one place. The platform also provides useful tutorials, educational tools, and a free demo account for beginners to practice. Many traders like its fast mobile app and advanced charting features that help with better decisions. However, trading is still risky and profits are never guaranteed. Quotex is an online trading platform that offers over 400 assets, including forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. It has a clean and customizable interface along with advanced charting tools that appeal to more experienced traders. The platform also provides a free demo account, which helps beginners practice without risk. Many users appreciate its fast withdrawals and flexible payment options, including cryptocurrencies. Still, like all binary options platforms, it carries high risk and should be used with cautions. Between the three, IQ Option is the best choice for safety and regulation. Quotex is best for advanced tools and assets variety, and Pocket Option is best for beginners with simple features and easy deposits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.